going to learn how to use the Picolage app. Step 1 is to click on Add Response and then click on this link. If I click on this link, it's going to open the app for Picolage. And if I have it already, then I can click Open. If I don't, I can click here to install. So I'm going to open the app. You have to use this app for it. So here are the steps. I'm going to read you the steps. Step 1 is to make a list of things that you like about yourself. Then you want to use Freestyle, which is the blue icon in the middle. So I'm going to go to Freestyle. Here we go. And it says, use photos to take a picture of yourself. Don't forget to flip the camera. Add your photo with the green check mark on the top right. So I'm going to click on Photos. And this is really important. I've already taken all the photos that I want to include about myself, and I'm going to scroll through them. So I've got all these photos of things that I like, including a picture of myself. So I'm going to take a picture of myself, and then what else do I want? I really love basketball, so I'm going to take that and that. I love my kittens, so I'm going to choose that. Maybe another basketball photo, maybe some cupcakes. Oh, and then I really like exploring the universe, so I'm going to choose that. So before you start this project, you really need to take all the photos that you want. Once I'm done, I click this check mark, and all 7 of those photos will be placed here. And then I can arrange them. So you see this one? You know how you squeeze with 2 fingers? So I can make it smaller or bigger. I can stretch it and I can move it around just using my fingers. It's really fun in an iPad, and I can arrange all these. The next step is to use text to write my name. So I'm going to click on text, see right here. And I'm going to say Teacher Peter Avaram. And you can decide, what you want us to call you. That's what I went by. So use what you want to be called. And then the next thing is, if I click on this, there's some options. So once I click on it, there's all these different fonts. Now, if it has a star, I don't think I can use it. I think I have to pay for it. So it's going to say, pay for it, try for free, etc. Please don't do any of this stuff. I don't think you'll be able to use it. So just use the free ones. So I can use Typewriter or Baskerville or Dawning New Day. I mean, I can use any font that I want. I kind of like this one. And then the next thing you can do is, so we've got, I think this is keyboard, text, color, etc. So if I do that, I can add more in. So that means keyboard. If I type the T, I can type what I want my font to look like. If I do the color, well, then I can choose a color, and I can choose any of these. I can even say, you know what? I can use the eyedropper here, and I want that color. And I'm going to use that color. Okay. And you know what? I think I'm going to use green instead, so I'm going to use green. Okay, the next step is use backgrounds to change the background. So I'm going to go to backgrounds here, and I can use any background. I can even use a photo as a background. So I could use this, or I could use this, or this, or this, or this. I kind of like that, but I want you to know that you can also use a photo. So I can click a photo here, and I think I'm going to use this as my background. So now my background is a planet. Last but not least, you want to use the web image to search for your 3 favorite things. So my 3 favorite things are sushi. So I think I'm going to use that one. And then I'm going to choose, well, I already have basketball, so I don't need that. Let's see what they do for, actually, well, animals. I really like llamas, so I'm going to choose that. And I got that image. So I can just kind of choose all my things here. And that's how you do it. You're going to want to make sure that the contrast is right. I can't really see this very well, so I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to choose outline, and let me see what else I can do. So I'm going to rearrange it, and this is a collage all about me. And let's see what other buttons, if I want to. I could also use stickers. So I could have stickers like these if I want to. And you can use any of these stickers if you want to, if they're free. So maybe I'll use a sticker like that. Again, I can resize it. And I can also use Doodle. So if I wanted to, I could make some illustrations like that. Let me show you my last thing that is my favorite. So when I'm done here, I click the check mark. And then my favorite thing is, so layout is really cool. Let me show you something else you can do with photos. So I'm going to choose photos. Where is it? That's not it. So I'm going to click on this photo. I'm going to click on the pen to edit it. And here's one of my favorite things. You can use cutouts or borders, set as background, collect. You can do all these. I'm going to do the cutout because sometimes you don't want your full frame. You want to have like a shape. So I'm going to see what shape I can do. Maybe I'm going to be a superstar. So I'm going to do it like that. I'm going to put my face in the middle. And then it'll do a cutout of that. When I'm done, I can click check. And then I can make that really big. So that's my image for now. Now let me show you the most important step. When I'm done, I'm going to click done. And save to library. If I click save to library, then it's going to go in my photos. Now, check this out. I'm going to click check. And now I'm going to go back to Seesaw. I'm going to go back to Seesaw. And you know what I do? I'm going to get rid of the directions here. And it says, well, what do you want to add? I want to add a photo, but I want to add a photo from my upload. So I go to upload. I go to photos and video. And now that poster that I just made on Picolage is right here. In fact, I made 2 of them. You can make more than one. Here's the first one I made. Here's the second one I made. So I'm going to choose that. And then I'm going to just do the green check. And then it's uploaded for everyone in our class to see. There you go. So that's what you need to do. All you need to do is make a Picolage about yourself. Include all the things in the directions, your favorite food, your favorite animal, your favorite activity, and anything else you want us to know. Like I want people to know that I have a cat and that I like planets. Do that and then upload it with the check mark and you're done.